When it's time to clean the floors, you plug in the electrical cord, and when you do so, the orange light will come on. Wait 3 minutes and the green light will come on. The steam has been produced. It's sitting inside the boiler, ready to be used. For the Vapor M4S, it has an electronic steam release. So you hit this button there to release the steam down at the bottom. All right, you use your the cord hook there to keep the cord out of the way, and you steam away. It glides very easily. You've got continuous steam pouring out of the unit, all right? 3.5 bars of pressure, the same amount of heat and steam onto the floor pad so that you get consistent cleaning performance from one end of the room to the other. All right, when you hit the back part of the button here, you get the 4 jets out at the front for when you want extra steam power or when you want to clean the edges of the floor. You have a 20-minute running time. All right. When you want to stop the steam, you just release the button on the front there. Now, if you clip the carpet glider onto the base of the Vapor Steam Cleaner, you're able to run it over your carpets and rugs to refresh the piles of the carpet and to help kill the dust mites.